What's going on, YouTube? Murderkiss is back here. Got my Bob Ross hat on. Don't have the Beamer right now, but we do have the Prius, and she is looking mighty fine. Super happy to, you know, have a car and all that. So before I hop in the vehicle, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new. My name is Murderkiss, and I post car content, vlogs, you know, all the good stuff. So just please help my channel out by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get the video started. Alright guys, putting it in drive, and we're off. Beautiful day today, 82 degrees. Not too hot, not too humid, and oh, hello speed demon. Yeah, look both ways before turning left, and yep. So anyways guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone out supporting my channel, my videos and all that. It means the world to me. And I'm just gonna crack the windows here, but I'm just gonna do a little drive today, nothing too crazy. Just want to give an update on my channel. This is gonna be my 20th Prius video, so you know that's a huge milestone for me. I've posted 20, you know, little just vlog type POV driving videos, and you know, I really feel like I can connect to my audience this way. I'm very passionate about cars, and I'm putting some respect on the Prius name. So as you guys know, if you go look at my channel, I also have a BMW 328xi in Monaco blue. Take it from me, do not do the maintenance yourself unless you are a professional mechanic. I just turned 21 yesterday, actually. Today is the 29th at the time of this video of August. I turned 21 on August 28th. But before that, I was trying to fix my BMW. It was misfiring on a spark plug. Ordered the plugs and the coils. Tried replacing it, and you know, I made a mistake. I don't know if it's an expensive mistake, but I killed one of the sensors in my car. I believe it is the camshaft sensor, so I'm gonna be fixing that, and hopefully I'll be making more BMW videos very soon. But back to on my topic on the Prius. I love my Prius community. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all the men, women, children, whatever, whoever's watching my video. I really, really appreciate it. And look at this Civic, man. It basically looks like a Toyota Prius Gen 2 copycat with more angles to it, in my opinion. But he is driving super slow. He's probably gonna turn right here. Yeah, what is he doing? And then I got some guy behind me. He's turning. But anyways, I love this car. Very, very awesome car. Be prepared. I'm gonna do an insane video on the Prius. I'm gonna probably name it, you know, best first car. I think this is the best first car for someone. Very reliable and economical too. And it's grown on me a lot. I mean, this car has really grown on me. I'm not sexist or anything, but you know, typically I relate Priuses with girls and stuff, but men can rock the Prius. It definitely is a very economical car, very amazing, just all around car, very practical. It's just not super fast, but honestly, your first car shouldn't be that fast, to be honest, because you got to learn how to, you know, lane control, defensive driving. This thing's insane. And also, earlier today, traffic. This car in traffic is the best car ever. It makes me love it even more because you save more gas being in traffic than driving, I feel like. Sounds counterintuitive, but it's a hybrid system and it just runs on the battery when you're in traffic, so you're not using gas at all. Saves you a lot of money. And I heard that the hurricane down south is stopping the Gulf Coast from mining oil. So that, I believe gas prices are going to increase throughout the United States. And that's another reason this car is amazing. I think it only cost me like $15 to really fill up, but my gas gauge is broken. I don't know how to fix it on this Prius, but I have to use my odometer system to gauge how much gas I have. But I'm averaging, I believe it says 46.1. So I drive it kind of, you know, I don't drive like a grandma. But I'm still pushing, you know, 46 miles per gallon, which is insane. I believe in the Beamer I get like 20. And yeah, so super excited, love this car, super fun, you know, always gets me A to B, knock on wood. I really have not had any issues with this car, and I'm not trying to jinx it or anything, but this thing has truly been an awesome vehicle. Highly recommend it. If anyone's looking at this video thinking about copying a Toyota Prius Gen 2, highly recommend it. It has good speakers, comfortable seating. I got the leather seats on this one. This Prius in particular is it's pretty decked out. It's got a backup camera, which I love. I mean, there's a lot of good things about this car. And you know, Toyota just has such a good, wonderful reliability. I mean, I feel like I could drive this to California and back to the East Coast like no problem. Like I could just go right now. Like no lie. Like this car is honestly that and just amazing. Well, but it's just very well engineered in my opinion. And the fact that it gets you A to B, no problem. AC works, and I think I'm clocking in at 163,454 miles. So this puppy has a lot of mileage on it. So, you know, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy making these. I really love you all. You know, spend the rest of your day, do something productive. Love you guys. Marcus is out. Peace.